Welcome to Yaraa Manager. Yaraa Manager is AI powered business suite. It's the best solution for project manager to manage their day-to-day projects for different industries like construction industries, IT, ITS industry, healthcare, or even your digital marketing company. Today we are going to see how language can be customized or language can be changed in Yaraa Manager. So you might be native speaker of Spanish or French language, and in Yaraa Manager you can change these languages to suit your needs. So once you log in Yaraa Manager, you will see the dashboard. You will see the setup wizard, that is where you can click on configuration, or from the left menu you can click on settings and then language menu. Once you click on language, it will open up all the languages that is available in Yaraa for you to select from. So right now we are just going to select Arabic from the available languages. Once you select the Arabic language, it will convert the whole Yaraa user interface into Arabic language. Not only it shows the Arabic language, but it also supports the right to left RTL system. So it completely gives you the option to see the system in Arabic language. So here the dashboard is now converted into Arabic. Now we're just going to go in the settings and can change back to again language to English. So this is how you change and use different languages available in Yaraa to suit your need. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel for more